friends, I had recently factory reset my Mac because it was becoming slow and it had become fast, but I had to reinstall everything including VS Code. And on reinstalling, all of my extensions were gone, all of my settings were gone. So I need to do everything again. So let's do it. Let's install everything. First, the font size seems to be very small, so let me do command comma in a Mac, and the font size, this is the font size. Let me make it 18 and let me see how it is. Yeah, I have to do a command S also after that. Let me see. Yeah, it's okay, that's okay, 18 is okay, but I will also increase the size so that it's good on YouTube. Yeah, so now everything is okay. I will increase the size also, which you can do, I think, nowhere. Yeah, here appearance, I just zoom in, command and equal to. Okay, so let's start installing our extensions. First thing which I will install is material theme. Let me install it. And it is installed. So which one do I need? Material theme, no, this one is good. Material theme, darker high contrast, so I have set that. Now let me go back. Why it is coming? Material icon theme, because the icons are currently not good. These default ones are not good, so let me install that. It is showing me to activate, so I will activate it. Let me see if it is done. Yeah, it is done. See, these are nice icons now. Next thing which I will install is a well-known plugin, Prettier. Yeah, this one, Prettier, called Formatter. Yeah, this one only. Let me install it. But one thing I will tell you that I will not do this in editor format on save, which is by default it is false. So I will show you. I think it is here, and yeah. Okay, one more thing I want to do, editor tab size is 4. It is sometimes very big, so let me make it this, and Prettier editor default format on save, there is one thing which is known as format on save. This format on save, if you give this setting, it will, whenever you do a control S, it will format your thing. Format by format I means, let me go to a file. So this file, see, let me do something ugly. So what I generally do, I don't give the format on save, I just select everything and command shift P I do, and then there is format. Oh wait, I forgot it, what it was. Prettier, they have mentioned it. It is command shift P and format document. Yeah, I was right, format document. Command Shift P, format document, multiple format and JavaScript. Select a default format to continue. Okay, yeah, so it is, I had checked this, so now it is done. So another way is to make it on save, but I don't do it because actually at my work many people don't have Prettier. This is my personal project and all, but at work many people don't have Prettier installed and they hate this format on save. What happens with this, uh, a lot of people work on the same code base, so if someone has Prettier installed, it will indent everything and it will change someone else's code, and sometimes they have a big fight because of that. So I generally don't, I also don't like this. So let's move forward from that, and then this is giving me popular, but where are mine? No, let me install the next one, which is known as bracket peer colonizer. What it keeps, see, as it says, this brackets, there are multiple brackets. In bigger codes there are more than that, so it will change the color of this. So let me install it. It's installing. Yeah, it is installed. And is it plug and play? Sometimes you have to yeah, it is, see, the color are nice now. This yeah, this one is pink, this one is yellow. So this is what this nice extension does. Next, the thing which we will do is indent rainbow. So what this does, if there are spaces, see, one yellow line is there, one green line, so it will make this. So again, let me install it. That is done. Now let me go back. See, now it is showing me that there are some errors. The spaces are not good. So what I will do, I will Control A, Control Shift P, format document. It is not even making it right because of that. Okay, I know how to make it right. Tab I have given. Now see, now everything is right. Now these colors are there. So this is done. Next one which I will do is one of my favorite, which is snippet. So I work on React a lot. So ES7 React Redux GraphQL. So what is the, it is not very good shortcut. Suppose I give RCC, it will make me the skeleton of a class-based component. RFC, it will make me the skeleton of a functional component. So let me install this. So instead of typing everything in a React, I will. So the extension is enabled globally. So let me check whether it is working. Let me make anything. Check.js. Let me do a RFC. Yeah, it is working. If this comes, means it is work. RFC I have given, then I will give a tab and see. This is what it will do. So yeah, it is working. Let me don't save it. And next thing is that which you can use or cannot use, because in an individual environment like this, which I am right now, it is not required, but in an official environment it is very much required. It is known as a Git history. So what it does, this Git history, if you right click on any project, you can see who have committed it last. So in a big project it happens a lot because someone breaks someone else's code and they have to dig. So this is very good plugin for that, and even for the lines I think it shows. I don't remember whether it's get history or get lenses, because on my office PC I have both of them installed, but not on my home Mac. So I have installed this. So if I do this, actually this project is not on GitHub, so I don't think it will work like this. Okay, so let us leave it there. So we have done a lot of extensions. Now why it is not showing me which are installed? I think nowadays it doesn't show because they change a lot of things. From here we have to do show installed extensions, so it was not even giving me. So now it is showing me which of them I have installed. Okay, so now I will install 3 more extensions, but I will do it in a different different code base, because it is somewhat related to HTML files. So this I have a basic project which are just a HTML file, and first thing is that in VS Code Emmet is by default. So if I press this, only this, and then a tab, see the whole HTML is been done, whole HTML has been created. I just have to give a tab and tab my doc, and it is done. And let me do something like div I will give, and then a tab. So this is title. Now so this is the sort of inbuilt plugin known as Emmet. Now I will give a UL, and one very good feature, li into 5, it will give it for a 5 time. Hi, this is Emmet live. So this is how it is. So after that, let me do one more thing. Let me have one more plugin installed, which is known as auto rename tag. Let me do it here. See, it have came here also. So this plugin is known as auto rename tag. So what it will do, as they say, suppose I have a div, I want to change it name. If I change it here, it will change the end one only also. So it saves us that 1 second which we have to do, like div. We do all the time in HTML. So I did it. So let me go here, and I need instead of div I need a h1. So I'll give h1. See, by default it did it here, h1. So this is what this small plugin does. So let me now install. This file doesn't have any CSS, then also I will install it here. CSS peak, this plugin, this small plugin CSS peak, what it does is a very useful plugin. If you just hover your in the HTML file, if you just hover your mouse over it, it will show the CSS. You don't have to go to the CSS file. So in bigger project it is very useful. So let me install it. So I installed it. So it is getting installed. I think it's a big plugin. Okay, it's done, but I don't have any CSS here. Let me see where it is installed here also. think oh, see, it is showing that it has got three definitions. So if I click on it, it will show me this. I don't know whether it is okay. I think for React it does it in a different way. So let me do one thing. Let me take this. So I took this, and here styles.css I will make. Let me copy this also, this form. I don't want the whole form. Okay, I need the whole form, but I will change the React part. The React part won't work in the HTML, so let me do it after this. So because of React weirdness, this is class name, this is class name. Let me not have these things. See, it is coming now. Here only it is coming. This I have not written anything, and here only it is coming. So this is the benefit of this small plugin CSS pick. But now one more thing, as you might know, if I want to open this HTML file, I have to just go here and go to the folder and click it, and it will open in a browser. So there is a very good plugin which make this normal HTML CSS project as a React project with hot reloading. So let me go here and find that plugin, live server. This is a very popular extension with this much installation. So let me install it. It is installing. So what it does, it create a local server for us, and if you click it, it will open the HTML file. And let me show it how it. Okay, I don't want. It is telling me something that it already have auto reform. So see, this go live thing will come here. So if I click on this go live, it will start it, and it will tell me that it is started it port whatever. So it will just go there and do it. So why this is live? Wait, let me take this from here and let me open it here. So like this it is there. So let me come back and change something. And this is live server. So I save it, and it got changed. I didn't have to refresh anything or like that. So these are the very essential VS Code plugins. Hope you liked this. Thank you.